So first of all, for our ingredients, we will need the chicken. The chicken is something we put on a sous vide bag, and I froze it to keep it for a longer time. You can cook it immediately, but for me, as I have a bunch of it, instead of cooking everything, I freeze it, I keep it for the time I need, and you just portion it, and once it's done, you cook whatever you want. But you can already cook it and freeze it later also. What I did is I freeze it, and now I'm gonna cook it. Be careful when you cook, when you use sous vide, to respect the hot and the cold. So for this, I would give another video which will explain more the HACCP process. For now, that's not the subject of the video. You need to know how to cook the recipe. So first, I would put this in my pot that you see here. I have a pot, yeah, you see it. So in this pot, I'm gonna put water at 90 Celsius degree. So have to convert in Fahrenheit. That's what I'm gonna put. I put water with thermocirculator that will put the water at the right heat, and that will cook my my chicken perfectly. And at the same time, I would put my herbs, which are those ones. Those are salvia that I put in the freezer to keep them longer and tastier. Because if you don't, then they will shrink and they will perish. So to keep them, I sous vide them, and I keep them in my freezer to keep them as long as I need, but not too long. I would say more than 3 months is no. That's why we do now. It depends whatever you use, but usually try to not overpass 3 months. That's why I have this. Now I have also the kikkoman sauce. I have the mustard, and I will use this. This is bell pepper, spine bell pepper that you buy at Lidl, but you can buy anywhere else. For then, we would need also salt, pepper, and eggs. My eggs are in the fridge. I'm gonna show them next in the recipe. So now we are going to start the different part of it, and I will start by preparing my bath for my bath for chicken and herbs, and also I will put this one in the oven later. So for now, chicken and this at the right temperature in water. So I have to boil, not to heat the water, not boil, to heat the water until the right temperature. Then I plunge it in the water. It has to dive inside and keep for the right time to cook. I'm gonna show you now. Hello and welcome to my Catholic online school. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to cook a delicious recipe of chicken. Chicken with salvia. For that, I will need a few ingredients, and we're gonna prepare this using simple skills that everybody can do. So let's start with the ingredients. If you see on my timer here, on the high, I put 58 Celsius degrees, and on the bottom, that's the timer. And the light is blue there. That means you put on the electricity on. What I just have to do is to push this, and the temperature's gonna warm up until the right one. Just do this, and once it's done, then it will ring and say it's time to put the ingredients inside. So let's do. For now, I would prepare perhaps the sauce. So like this, we know that we're gonna cook the marinade, and I would prepare also the eggs, so that like this everything would be done for when we put inside the bell pepper. And that's it. We just fill the bell pepper with all the ingredients at the end, and just close it, put it in the oven, and that's it. For the sauce, I would take a spoon like that size. You see my hand, that size. And you take in this or any bowl that you can have. I prefer when this part is flat, so it's easier to prepare. And then I do one like that of mustard with mustard seeds. Mustard with seeds. You put two like that. I put two like that.